Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're a fan of high-impact eye looks, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Kitten Karma. This is a glittery, shimmery liquid shadow designed to give your eyes that gorgeous high shine finish that makes you feel like a total showstopper. Now let's break it down. The Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadow is all about bringing the sparkle and dimension to your lids. With its liquid formula, it promises to deliver an intense metallic finish with just one swipe. The shade Kitten Karma is a beautiful, soft champagne color with a mix of pearl and fine glitter that catches the light in the most stunning way. It's perfect for a night out or any occasion where you want your eyes to truly pop. When I first tried it, the formula was really smooth and easy to apply. I just used the built-in applicator to swipe the liquid onto my lids, and within seconds, I could see the shimmer and glitter settle in. It's not sticky or heavy, which is great for comfort and longevity. It dried pretty quickly, and I didn't feel the need for a second layer to get that full-on sparkle effect. Now, what about its performance over time? The first thing I noticed was how long it lasted. The glitter didn't budge, and the color stayed vibrant for hours. No fading or creasing in sight. I wore it through an evening event, and by the end of the night, it still looked fresh. However, I did notice that a small amount of glitter fallout did occur after a few hours, but it wasn't too overwhelming. One thing to keep in mind is that this is definitely not an everyday, subtle kind of product. If you're looking for something a bit more muted for daily wear, this might not be your go-to, but if you love bold, eye-catching, and long-lasting shimmer, this could be your new best friend. The pros? It's super easy to apply, the color payoff is amazing, and the staying power is fantastic. I also love how the glitter doesn't feel gritty or uncomfortable on the eyes. It's really smooth and lightweight. On the flip side, I'd say the only downside is that little bit of glitter fallout after a few hours of wear, which could be an issue for some. But if you're like me and you don't mind touching up or just embracing that sparkly vibe, it's not a huge deal. Now, let's talk about value. The Stila Magnificent Metals Liquid Eyeshadow is priced a bit higher than your average shadow, but honestly, I think it's worth it. You're getting a unique formula with that dazzling finish that's hard to find in other products. Plus, a little goes a long way, so this will last quite a while. If you're looking for similar options at a lower price, there are some great alternatives out there. For example, the NYX Glitter Goals Liquid Eyeliner offers a similar glittery effect, though the color payoff isn't as rich, and the formula is a bit less luxe. But if you're on a budget, it's still a great option. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and simple. Nothing too fancy, but it feels solid. The wand applicator works well for precise application, and the tube is easy to store in your makeup bag without worrying about leakage or breakage. In terms of customer support, I haven't personally had to reach out to Stila, but they have a good reputation for handling inquiries quickly and efficiently. They also offer a decent return policy, which is reassuring when trying out new products. In conclusion, the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Kitten Karma is a beautiful product that delivers on its promise of bold, long-lasting shimmer. While it may not be ideal for those who prefer a more subtle look, it's perfect for those looking to make a statement with their eye makeup. If you're someone who loves dramatic, glittering eyes, this is a must-try. But if you're on the hunt for something more low-key, you might want to explore other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts if you've tried this product. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.